I got asked, what is my preferred way to cap round tube or pipe? And I do it in two different ways. And the first one, which is shown here, I just get a bit of steel that'll fit inside the pipe, put a magnet on it, hold it flush, and I can just tack it and then weld around, or in this case I actually fully run a weld across because I wanted a nice looking pipe because it's on show. And in the second one, I've cut a ring and I've kept it in a little bit from the edge of the outside of the pipe, so I'm welding on an angle down. You've got two faces to weld to, and rounded that over. So both, I don't care which one I do. In the first one, we know the height of the pipe, so by putting it inside we haven't changed the height. We've capped it and it's still the same length. So when I cut my pipe and it's this long, we haven't changed the height when I cap it. In the second one, I've put a 6mm plate on the top, so we've changed the height of the pipe by 6mm. Not that it means anything too much, but that's one difference between the two. I hope you found this useful. Remember, use your power tools safely. I'm not a good role model for that. Keep safe.